Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, solve the round brackets. In the round brackets there is a 3 multiply by 3 is equals to 9. According to this step, brackets always takes the absolute priority, and now the expression becomes 81 divided by 9 plus square bracket 6 multiply by root 36 square bracket of plus 40. Move to the next step. Solve the square roots inside the square brackets. So there is a root 36 and answer gives 6. According to this step, orders roots inside the bracket must be cleared before multiplying, and now the current expression becomes 81 divided by 9 plus square bracket 6. Now move to the next step. Complete the square brackets. There is a 6 multiply by 6. Now 6 multiply by 6 gives 36, and according to this step, this simplifies and removes the square brackets completely, and now the current expression becomes 81 divided by 9 plus 36 and plus 40. Perform division. The next priority is division, and we divide 81 divided by 9 gives 9. As a result, according to this step, division hold higher priority than the addition, and now the current expression becomes 9 plus 36 plus 40. Now move to the next step, perform addition. Work left to right to finish the final addition operation, and now 9 plus 36 plus 40 is equals to 85 is the final result. Now according to this expression, the final result of this expression by using the BODMAS sequence is 85, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.